Okay, and then some students are confused when we use do. Yeah. Okay, so do can be in the present, past, or be in the future. Yeah. Okay, I'll start with the present time. What do you do? Yeah. So there is a what do you do? What are you doing? What did you do? What are you going to do? What will you do? Yeah. Okay. So many learners, many English learners are confused with this. Yeah. Okay. So I'll start with what do you do? Yeah. So what do you do is what do you usually do? Yeah. Okay, what do you usually do is the same as what is your job. Yeah, what is your job now? Yeah. Okay, what do you do? What is your job now? Yeah. And then what are you doing? Atau what are you doing? Yeah, when we shorten it. Yeah. Okay. What are you doing is what is your present activity right now? Yeah. What is your current activity right now? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If somebody asks me what are you doing or what am I doing, so right now I am explaining to my students online. I'm talking to my students. I'm talking to you. I'm standing. Yeah. And then when somebody asks me what do you do or what do I do, I am a teacher. I am an instructor. Yeah. Okay. And then number 3 is do in the past. What did you do? Yeah. What did you do? Or what did you do? Yeah. What did you do? Yeah. So specific. It is a specific. Yeah. What did you do or what did you do this morning? Yeah. Okay. I got breakfast this morning. I came to the bank this morning. I got a class, online class this morning. So, and then do can also be for future. What are you going to do and what will you do? Yeah. What is the difference between what are you going to do and what will you do? Yeah. Okay. What are you going to do? So it means that the us or the person who asks these questions assume that you already have a plans to do. Yeah. You already have plans or a plan to do next time. Yeah. So what are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do this afternoon? What are you going to do with this? So it means that the speaker or the people who asked you already judge or assume that you have a plan. Yeah. And then what will you do? Yeah. So the people that ask you has no idea or he or she thinks that you have no plan with this. Yeah. And then they will ask you, what will you do? Yeah, so based on the asker, based on the person who asks the questions, so they assume that you have no plan. So if they assume that you have plan, so they use to be going to. If they assume that you have no plan, a spontaneous activity, so he will use what will you do? Yeah, something like that. Yeah. This is exercise, guys. What form can be present, past? Let's analyze this for a while. Every Friday, last Friday, next Friday, yesterday evening, every evening. So we switch our tenses often. Right now, and then every morning. Yeah. Okay, using do, the same verb, yeah, do, but different time. So then last Friday, what did you do last Friday? I came to class. Next Friday, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? So we assume that it's already part of your plan. What are you going to do next Friday? I'm going to come. I'm going to come to class. I'm going to come to class yesterday evening. What did you do? What did you do yesterday evening? I watched TV. Yeah. And every evening, what do you usually do every evening? It's okay if you don't want to use usually. I watch TV. And then tomorrow evening, what are you going to do tomorrow evening? I'm going to watch TV. Yeah, what are you doing right now? What are you doing? What are you doing right now? Doing my grammar exercise. What does Maria do every morning? She goes to work. Okay, finish. Okay, I hope that I can help you. I can help to improve your grammar by showing you how to finish this exercise, by showing you step by step and the reason why we are supposed to use that verb. Yeah. Okay, another more exercise. Right now, what are the students doing right now? They are working on this exercise. What are they going to do? What are they going to do in class tomorrow? They are going to take. They are going to take. They are going to take a test. They are going to take a test. What did Boris do last night? He went to a movie. Okay, I underline this every day. I also underlined last night. Okay, so these are the clues. And then right now, clues also every day. What does the teacher do? What does the teacher do every day at the beginning of class? She puts her books on her desk. Looks at the class and says good morning. Okay guys, we finished this. I hope my step-by-step solution for you can help you to improve your grammar accuracy. And let's go to the next. May and might.